Easiest sign that it's time to change your running shoes. Let's figure out together. Salut, c'est Stéphane from Safe Motions, and today we're going to look into my #1 favorite trick to find out when you need to change your running shoes. And while I have your attention, please subscribe and comment down below if you want us to make more videos about sports and running injuries. In theory, you should replace your running shoes roughly every 500 kilometers to 750 kilometers, but that really depends on your running style, not just the distance. So let's dive into the core of the topic and we'll demonstrate with some shoes. You could have a look at how flexible your shoes have become. You could have a look at whether some parts of the shoe are getting glued off. You could also have a look at how soft this has gotten. But for me, the #1 factor that you can look at is the creases that start to appear in the midsection of your shoe, and that's it. Creases means that the rubber here is getting old and has lost a little bit of its bouncing capability. So it's not going to absorb the shock when you run as well as before. On this side of the shoe, you can see how many creases there are. Let's check some other shoes. You can see all the creases going sort of even vertically. Right here, going onto the inside of the shoe, here. So to sum it up, look at the creases. If there's creases, change your shoe. That's it. I do advise you when you buy your running shoes to get a newer type of model, because if it stayed on the shelves on display or in its shoe box at the shop for long enough, about 6 to 12 months, then the rubber and the glue will start to degrade, which means that your shoe won't last as long and it might start to create injuries sooner in its life cycle. So be careful when you buy shoes on sale. They're on sale for a reason. Also, I would advise you to use running shoes for running only. Please don't go shopping with your running shoes because you'll wear them out much faster. One thing that I'd like you to note as well is if you have a high volume of running during your week, you might want to invest in several running shoes. You might want to have a pair of running shoes for your long runs, for example, and then another pair of running shoes for your shorter, higher intensity runs. This would allow your foot to get some rest from one shoe to the other, so you don't get into those injuries that are due to repetitive movements. That's it for today, guys. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you liked it, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment in the comments down below. If you didn't like it, dislike it, that's fine. I'll see you next time. À bientôt.